Welcome to Cassie's Eclectic Garden. I'm Cassie and I garden in zones 5B, 6A in Northwest Ohio. Today we're going to talk about Pearly Everlasting, a host plant for the painted lady butterfly. We'll be right back. This is Pearly Everlasting, Anaphylis margariticea. That's a mouthful. It's Western Pearly Everlasting, or it's sometimes called Sweet Everlasting. It's hardy in zones 3 to 8. It's herbaceous perennial and it's in the aster family. It likes part shade to full sun, and my plant is planted right in between a butterfly bush and a patch of parsley that I let go to flower and to seed because it's a host plant. The Pearly Everlasting is also a host plant, and it's a host plant for the painted lady butterfly. This plant blooms from June to October depending on where you live, and gets 1 to 3 feet high and a spread of 1 to 2 feet with 2 feet spacing between plants. Pearly Everlasting has medium water needs and is very low maintenance. You just pretty much plant it and let it do its thing. But as with most all plants, it prefers well drained to dry soil, and it's native to Asia and North America. This is my second year growing this plant. I don't know if it's a male or a female plant, because with Pearly Everlasting, the plants are either male or female. If they have male flowers, they are globular with a numerous, slender, erect, yellowish-brown stamen of flowers in the yellow center disc. And if they're female flowers, they are globular to egg-shaped with a yellowish to dark brown bristly ring around the top of the flower head. Now, it's not really important whether you have a male or a female unless you want to harvest seeds. And in order to harvest seeds, you have to have both plants. But you can also propagate this plant by division. So if you want more plants and you're not concerned about seeds, you can just divide it and spread it around your garden. The foliage on these plants is grayish white with small fuzzy leaves. It can spread underground by rhizomes and can act invasive if you water it regularly and fertilize abundantly. It basically doesn't need much fertilization. I have not fertilized this plant and mine is huge, so I wouldn't recommend a lot of fertilizer unless your soil's really bad. After it freezes in the fall, you can cut it back to 3 or 4 inches tall, or leave it standing for winter interest, and then trim it in the spring as new growth resumes. That's it for this video. So if you want to attract painted ladies to your butterfly garden and have a host plant for them to lay their eggs, buy you some Pearly Everlasting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.